Well, here you go, upside down, filling in the spots in here. Boy, there was so much new metal that went into this car. Trust me, you guys. New, 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 new. All the whole pan, that's new. Inner fender wheels, all that, that's new. Upper one, new. Quarter panels right and left, new. Rocker panels, new. So you might as well say everything pretty much from this point back is brand new. The doors are new, the fenders are new. A lot of new. Man, I'm about to change the name of this car to New. But it's not gonna be new, it's just gonna be Money 6-4. When we get to that point, that's what we're gonna do.